Doggy. Now you should get your tether ball. Here, get him on his tether ball to jump up.
There, Scout.
I should go in the other way though. Hold on a minute.